Today, let's put a bug shield on the front of the car. Today's bug shields are low profile. They don't stick up near as tall as they used to. We also don't have to bolt them on anymore. No drilling into the car. All we have to do is tape them on with some 3M tape. The first step is to remove all of the wax and any ceramic coat that might be in the car. The ceramic coat keeps things from sticking to it, and that kind of defeats the purpose for today. After we get everything cleaned off, then it's time to do a dry fit of the bug shield. After we make sure everything fits, it's time to peel off the protective film on the face of it. These come in flat black and gloss black and chrome nowadays. After we pre-fit it, I want to take some frog tape, some tape that releases easily, like what painters use, and I'm going to fasten this in place. After it's lined up the way that I like it, I'm going to take some frog tape and go around the top edge of this, because when I clean it with the alcohol and the other adhesive pads, I want to know exactly where that stuff goes. The next step is to take the alcohol swab that came with it, and I'm going to clean it the best that I can where this goes. And then this came with a prep pad that's going to help the 3M tape stick better. The next step, carefully peel back the red tape on top of the 3M tape. We're going to expose the sticky side of it. We just need to release a little bit of each end of each piece of tape and fold it out so we can grab it after we get it lined up the way it goes. When we're ready to line this up, it's very important to make sure that we have it exactly where we want it, because this tape will really suck down onto the paint and it's going to be really hard to readjust it. So take your time, make sure everything is lined up the way that it goes. I want to slowly pull the red plastic off of the 3M tape and try to stick it down from the center of the hood and work my way out to the sides, pressing it down tight as I go. After everything is fastened down the way that you like it, take some extra time and a soft cloth or something and carefully push down from the center going out to get the 3M tape secured to the car. After everything's secure, it is that simple. We are basically finished. The instructions say not to get it wet for 72 hours, so no car washes, anything like that. But this is going to protect that strip where the bugs usually get caught and the rock chips occur most of the time anyway. And I think it really adds a nice look to the front of the car. Hope you got an idea of what you can do to yours. If you enjoy this, I'm happy to help. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you on the next project. Bye.